It's Mega Grace on Vuma FM, Adult Radio for the Young at Heart, 7 minutes before 6 o'clock. This is Kati. So Bamba Sengiavalixen in the book of Matthew, chapter 6, verse 33. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. And analyze it carefully. But seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things will follow you. Now this is what we have to do. Number one, we must seek his kingdom first before anything else. Basenze njalo sifuna umbuso wakhe, sifuna ubuso bakhe, konke lokho esikudingayo kuyolandela thina. Number one, if we seek his kingdom, if we seek his face, izinto esifunayo zona zizofuna thina. Njalo uma sifuna ubuso kaNkulunkulu noma sifuna umbuso kaNkulunkulu, izinto esidingayo yizona izolandela thina, zifuni thina. Kungenzeka into oyifunayo uze ufungakayitholi ngoba ufuna into wrong, kodwa make wafuna uNkulunkulu kuqala, lokho okufunayo yikho kuzofuna wena, kulandele wena, ngoba usuke walandela iprinciple yokufuna umbuso nobuso bukaNkulunkulu, bese konke lokho kunye kulandela wena. Mhlanje kuseni, as you are starting your day, noma ngabe yini oyifunayo, noma ngabe mapha ama prayer items onawo, ngicela ungenzele lokho before you pray for your prayer items. Before ufuna izinto oyifunayo, can you seek God first? Can you seek his kingdom first? Can you seek his righteousness first? And then konke lokho okudingayo, uthi David in the book of Psalms 23, surely goodness and mercy will follow me. Akasho ukuthi yimi engihupha okuhle nomusa, kodwa yikho okuhle nomusa okungilandelayo. Why? Because I am seeking God and I am seeking his kingdom. Maki ngike nje ngafuna uNkulunkulu, izinto they are bound to follow me, ngoba mina ngifuna umnikazi wazo. Umnikazi wezinto they are bound ukuthi zingilandele, ngoba mina ngifuna umnikazi walo. Iphutho ngalenza ukufuna izinto zomnikazi kodwa umnikazi ungamtholile. Kubalekile uthola umnikazi wezinto, ngoba nezinto ziyokulandela ngoba vele uthola umnikazi wazo. Kodwa mawufuna izinto zakhe ungenayo umnikazi wazo, ziyokulahlekela, ziyokuphelela. Uchitha impilo yakho yonke ufuna izinto oyifunayo, engabe ufuna umnikazi wezinto oyifunayo. Make wathola umnikazi wezinto oyifunayo, nezinto oyifunayo ziyokulandela ngoba unomnikazi wezinto zakhe. Ngiyacela namhlanje kuseni ungaze udlule emhlabeni ungazuyithola izinto oyifunayo, kanti usuke wenza iphutha wafuna izinto wangamfuna umnikazi wezinto. Ekuseni, seek God and his righteousness, and everything that you need and everything that you desire will follow you, ngoba ufune umnikazi wezinto. Ekuseni funa uNkulunkulu, ungafuni izinto zikaNkulunkulu. Abanye bafuna ama benefits akhe kodwa bamfuna umnikazi wama benefits. Into emnandi ngokufuna umnikazi wezinto ukuthi noma izinto zakhe zingangiphelela, as long as I have the source zizobuya futhi. Iphutho ngalenza lokuthi ube nezinto zikaNkulunkulu bese ungabinayo uNkulunkulu, ngoba mase iphela izinto zikaNkulunkulu uyoba nenkinga, wazi ukuthi uyakuphi. Kodwa mazi kuphelela izinto zikaNkulunkulu, unoNkulunkulu, you are not discouraged. Ubuyela kuNkulunkulu, kumnikazi wezinto zakhe. Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will follow you. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.